everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is a recap video on my recent trip to Honolulu, Oahu in Hawaii. Each video is a day. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I take you through my journey. We're actually going to start a day early on the 16th of September, and that is when I started packing. I had bought these luggage tags a while ago, but they were super huge and I didn't expect them to be this big, but they fit my vaccination card perfectly. I have a bunch of new floral prints that I added to my wardrobe collection recently, and of course I had to pair them with gold accessories. The next day, I woke up before dawn and headed to LAX, where I flew on Hawaiian Airlines and was Honolulu bound. While on the trip, I took a nap and then woke up to a lovely bake lunch and some tomato juice, and I decided to watch a movie. I saw that there was Journey 2 on screen, and I was like, the background looks pretty familiar, and although I didn't know that they actually filmed this in Hawaii, I saw The Rock on it and put the two together. And guess what? Later on in this video, you'll find out I was right. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a like. Upon landing, I got a shuttle taken to the rental place that I had booked a reservation for a car. Last time I was in Oahu, I did not have transportation, so I was kind of stuck in Waikiki and the east part of the island. However, this time I wanted to explore as much of the island as I could within the 6 days that I was there. Lucky Owl is a local rental car company, and I highly suggest them if you plan on visiting this island. They are super nice, very affordable, and business was quick and easy. It was a little too early to check in to my B&B, so I decided to head into town and eat brunch at a local restaurant. 604 restaurant brings both tourists and soldiers from the U.S. Army alike to dine and drink to our heart's content. I decided to get a Bloody Mary and oyster shooters since, I just got off the plane. Their portions were huge. I got a mahi-mahi platter, and my pup got a huge double patty pork burger. We were seated right out front of the marina and had a wonderful view of the waterfront. Since Pearl City was so close to Lucky Owl and the airport, I planned to take a stop at Pearl Harbor. For those of you who have or have not been, this is a really easy and open layout that they had created for this space, and it was free admission for the public areas. The memorial did justice to all of the fallen soldiers, and I really liked how equal they made each of the sides on both the American and the Japanese forces, their hardships, and their camaraderie. I also liked that they didn't sugarcoat how Japanese Americans were treated during that time, and to bring awareness towards World War II and how far we have progressed to today. The submarine and battleships, as well as all the models that people took the time to build and maintain, were very powerful. To brighten the mood, the next place that I went to was the Disney Aulani Resort. I've always seen ads for this vacation spot, but I had never visited it until now. It is located right beside the Four Seasons, and they have a gorgeous walkway along the beach, dipping into 4 different lagoons. I was able to see at least one rainbow every day I was in Hawaii, although some days I wasn't able to capture it as I was on the go. But seeing them reminds me of how much I am blessed and how fitting it is, as Hawaii is called the Rainbow State. I explored the Aulani grounds for a little bit more, spotting a snorkeling tank with live fish and people who were dressed in scuba gear to watch them. The grounds are like a mini water amusement park in which you could jump in and out of if you had the wristband. As well as walking into their lobby, which had really tall ceilings that kind of looked like Gothic or Nordic architecture to me, which is a little strange, but they decorated their shade structures and rocks and every little type of detail that they could to fit in with the Hawaiian landscape. Everything was made out of wood, like the banisters and furniture. And then it was time to step back outside where I could walk along the palm trees and just enjoy the ocean breeze. After that, I decided to check into the place that I was staying, and it had a wonderful view of the west side of Waikiki. As nighttime fell, I explored the place I was staying at and decided to take a walk around the neighborhood. It was a full moon, so she illuminated the scenery really beautifully as I walked through hotels to the beach and back. After walking through a park, we stopped by Henry's place to buy lychee or lychee ice cream, which tasted like shaved ice and sorbet mashed together, if that makes any sense. And then it was time to head back and go to bed.